Good morning, guys. Good evening, good day, good afternoon, good night, shikamo, shalom, wagwan, namaste, superle, my people, depending on your time zone. Mama Suji right here at the site. At the site, the ambitious project. I just want to show you that this other wing, we started it and you've been seeing. And today, this is what has been done. As you can see, yeah, the steel has been spread and the water pipes, wash, the waistline and the water pipes are all done, as you can see. Yeah, just like that. And this is a one-bedroom house, very spacious, very spacious. And as you can see this side here, it's a sitting room, guys. It's very big, it's very big. And this is the arrangement, guys. This will be a sitting room for the first house from the stairs, and then this one it's a kitchen right there. On the other side, that's a kitchen. That other one is a bedroom, and that one there, big sitting room right there. So because of the staircase, and the corridor, this bit here is a corridor, guys. It's moving from that side, coming this way, goes that way, and then there'll be entry point at that corner there. This disposal for rainwater, I think it's blocking, or I think it will go down. This one is just a point. Excuse. So the door for that house will be there. And then, hey, your mama is becoming a contractor. So here will be the washroom. Once you've entered, this is a sitting room. This will be the sitting room. And then that one there is the bedroom. And that one there is the kitchen. And this one here is the washroom. And this is the corridor, a continuous corridor. Yeah. So that is how it's going to be. It's gonna be like this. So you walk this way, and then you once you walk that way, yeah, from the staircase, you come here this way. You enter here, and then you make a corner, a turn like this, and you get there. There'll be a door there. No, there'll be a door here. So bedroom number one there. It's just one bedroom anyway. The one bedroom, and then the sitting room there. Then the kitchen right there, and the washroom will be here. And this one is a continuous corridor for both of them. So you enter here, the other one enters from there. And so this is what is happening here. This is what is happening here, guys. So yeah, let me go and show you some other improvements. Stay tuned. Yeah, stay tuned with your mama right here on the ambitious project. Yeah, evening, but this is what we've created, an open kitchen here. So the stones have been removed, and we've created a prettier corridor right there, the back corridor, with a spacious kitchen right there. And then this will be another bedroom. It will be a bedroom, guys. This their bedroom. So it has been demolished, and this has been raised. So this is a door. And since we are creating a 1 bedroom out of this 3 bedroom, 1 bedroom and a 2 bedroom, this place has been covered, as you can see. Yeah, it is dark. So this is a washroom for this bedroom. It will have master in suit. So this one is master in suit. Yeah, so this one is like this. It's dark. So it's dark inside. So I'll show you this at another given time.